house.
A park. It's got a slide.
Whoa, Landon. Whoa.
Wow. Whoa. That's Landon's slide.
Whoa. Wow.
Want to go up here and go down your slide? Okay.
He's got it. Told you, Rich. Whoa. Whoa. Look at Landon's fort. That's Landon's fort.
You want to go down your slide? Look up here. You can look. You got a steering wheel. Look, you can drive.
Whoa.
And look, this is like the park. You can play tic-tac-toe. Wow. Oh, you're going down the big
Watch
slide.
him.
Mommy? Yes, you need some help? You want up? Okay.
Whoa. You want to go down that one?
Okay.
Oh, Lord. Is he going down that one?
Yeah. Catch him. There he comes.
All right.
No, you changed your mind?
That one's scary.
Mine landed.
Put him down this one.
Here, come here. Here, go down this. Check this
Come
slide
on,
out.
Landon. Let's go.
Whee!
Yay! Whoa.
Yay!
Whoa.
Again?
Again?
Okay.
I could see that going on 100 times.
Hang on tight.
Easy. Gosh, he looks so small in this thing, don't he? But he got it there, didn't he?
Yeah. Whoa. Look, you can look through here like this.
Whoa.
Wow.
Wow. He likes it. That's your handle to get up.
You want to climb up there? No? Okay. No, let's not go down this ladder. Let's go down the slide. Go down the slide for Mommy.
Mom.
I don't know about going down the ladder. That's scary.
Landon. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, Doc.
Hi, that. I can't say